Hello and welcome to the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020, delivered on behalf of the RCN to showcase the clinical expertise, commitment and compassion demonstrated by nurses throughout the UK. This year is extra special as we are celebrating what nurses do for people from all walks of life and at every stage of life worldwide throughout the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife. But at the beginning of the year, who would have predicted how nursing would need to demonstrate its value globally through its committed professional response to the pandemic? So before we meet our 2020 finalists, let's hear from some of our Nurse Award winners and finalists about how they are meeting the challenge of COVID-19.
It's very difficult to talk about the positives when you think of COVID, when you think of what you've been through. I don't think any of us could have comprehended the level of stock we would need in a month. We would get emails from suppliers saying all stocks were being diverted to the NHS. It was almost like we were forgotten.
We were all just very frightened about what it meant and what it would mean for our working patterns and bringing it home and passing it on to loved ones, protecting ourselves. The challenges were looking at the best way to facilitate end-of-life care that was dignified and met the needs of the department as well as the needs of the patient.
We've had people come to us that believe that they have found the cure for COVID, that drinking bleach would cure COVID. We've had people present to us who were redeployed from one area of healthcare and kind of straight into an area that they were unfamiliar with, without preparation, without support, and they have been traumatised by what they've seen.
It changed everything about our way of working. It just completely turned it on its head.
We did lose staff across our footprint during COVID. So we created a flag to go over the condolence trolley. We've had all staff playing a guard of honour as the staff were being taken to the mortuary. So although it's been really, really tough, we need to show, we really, really do care.
What supported us are the families. They've sent videos, they've done fun things, they've sent care packages. It's helped us look at things in a different way, particularly with technology. We've done staff clinics, we do family clinics, and kindness has really been evident across all of our care homes. Kindness from staff, commitment from staff, but kindness from the community and families as well.
Our patient feedback that we got was amazing. The patients loved being cared for by us. People came all together and it created such a lovely atmosphere. There was like a sense of unity for that we wanted to fight the pandemic.
When a hotel place came up for somebody, we were able to visit them on the street. We could symptom screen them, stabilise their drug use as well in lots of cases. Yeah, we saw real improvements in health, which were amazing.
We take handprints and lip kisses and photographs of tattoos. That's what we do. Free compassionate work beyond anybody's expectation.
What a remarkable response from the nursing profession to an unprecedented challenge. Now it's time to celebrate what nurses deliver for individuals, families, and entire communities day in and day out. Before we meet the contenders in the Advanced Nurse Practitioner category of the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020, let's hear from Rachel Hollis, Chair of the Professional Nursing Committee at the RCN, which has sponsored this category.
My name is Rachel Hollis, and I'm the Chair of the Royal College of Nursing's Professional Nursing Committee. The RCN is delighted to support this particular award, which showcases nurses who practice at an advanced level, and I'm really pleased to have the opportunity to offer my congratulations to all the finalists. It's such a strong and diverse field. This award recognises the impact that advanced nurse practitioners make in all settings. And I've seen through my own work as a children's cancer nurse, and more widely through my role in the RCN, the impact that expert nurses working at an advanced level of practice can make to patients, to healthcare teams, and to nurse-led services. This is clearly demonstrated in the work of all our finalists. So congratulations on your nomination and the recognition of your work, which has brought you to the final of these awards. And good luck to you all.
Thank you for supporting these awards. Now, who are our finalists?
Our first finalist is the Advanced Care Academy team. By mentoring new cohorts, the team are ensuring patients throughout NHS Grampian are cared for by knowledgeable, experienced and compassionate advanced practitioners in a wide range of sectors, including urgent care, district nursing and prisons. Next are Colm, Darby and Vincent McLarnon, who are creating a movement to find out why families are hesitant to have their children vaccinated and give them evidence-based information. They're also training a network of healthcare professional champions to support them to make informed decisions. Our third finalist is Helen Bisten. Helen has transformed the health of men in Lancaster Farms Prison, working one-to-one in this challenging environment to slash waiting times and helping them understand the risks of trading drugs. Next on the shortlist are Helen Francis and Julie Bolton. They empower breast cancer survivors to make positive choices and live well through personalised support and telephone clinics. Survivors love the fantastic service for putting them in control of their recovery. People experiencing homelessness are 10 times more likely to die early and struggle to access healthcare. Rosa Ungpakorn's outreach project is tackling this by taking advanced nursing care and an unjudgmental attitude straight to the most underserved people in her community, on the streets. Thanks to the RCN for enabling us to showcase these outstanding finalists. But there can only be one winner, and it is Rosa Ungpakorn. The Nurse Awards judges were impressed by Rosa's research, the barriers she overcame, her work with multiple agencies, her patient outcomes, and the speed at which she adjusted the service at the height of the pandemic.
Congratulations, Rosa, on winning this prestigious award in the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife. It is well-deserved recognition for your efforts to reach and support the most vulnerable and underserved people in our society. And that brings us to the close of the Advanced Nurse Practitioner category of the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020. The awards recognise the very best of nursing, and you can find the winners of all our categories at rcni.com/nurse-awards. Thank you for being a part of this celebration. Before you leave, please take a moment to remember the members of the nursing team who have died during the pandemic.